What's the meaning of clergyman? Clergyman. Clergyman.
Clergyman. Clergyman. A clergyman is a male member of the religious clergy, typically associated with Christianity. He is ordained and serves as a representative of a specific religious institution or community, performing religious ceremonies such as baptisms, weddings, and funerals. Clergymen are also responsible for teaching and preaching religious doctrines, counseling and providing spiritual guidance to their congregation, and participating in charitable activities. In some denominations, they may also be involved in administrative duties. Overall, a clergyman's role is to guide and support members of his religious community in their spiritual journeys.